Good morning, everybody. We're back. We're again in the Halibut ground. We're by the Alameda rock wall. It's right there, Alameda rock wall, right here. Yeah, we try here. It's me, Victor, and his son. Yeah, we have a couple boats right there. We have a bunch of kayaks. We're here in this area. Yeah, guys, I'm using the same thing. I use the Phoenix and an ugly stick. I use weight number 16. Leader is 4-5 feet long. Weight leader is like 1 foot long. And herring, what I'm catching in the season. Yeah. We'll see, guys, what we're catching, because it's windy early. I don't know why. There's supposed to be no wind. Wind's supposed to be came after 2 o'clock. It's hot. It's heavy wind. There's supposed to be it's only a couple miles, and look at that. It's choppy already a little bit. Yeah, guys. We go to the spot. We troll into the spot. We'll see if they hook something, and we'll be back with fish, guys. I see you guys soon. Yeah, sorry about last video about nettings. Yeah, because I forgot my net, and yeah, and I told my guys already the smoking cigarettes they dropped to the water. Yeah, thank you guys, because I didn't see that serious. Now I know, and I watch that. Okay, guys, I see you with fish. Маленький возьми, то его. First fish on, guys. I don't know if this is keeper or not. We'll see right now. No, it's striper. Striper. I don't know, I problem. We have first striper. I don't know if this is keeper or not. We'll see right now. Look at that beautiful striped bass. It's 17 inches. It's release. It's not keeper. The keeper in California 18 inches. We release this fish. Like fishy. Ти йди сачок бери. А, наверно, запуталися, чуєш? Наверно, ти за мене пішов. Да, ти за мене пішов, да. Давай сюди його. Веди сюди, да, це ти за мене. Не знаю.
Фішон є?
Хороший є. Здорово. Чи. Давай, ще чуть-чуть, все, забирай. Бери цей сачок великий візьми. Давай. Хороша риба. Big fish. Рядом вже тут. Чекай. Ох ти, акула, блін. Shark. Sharky.
Johnny, Nevada.
О, нормальний. 39.
Що бере?
It's keeper shark, guys. 39 inches. I don't know what we think. We'll see right now.
I keep it. Yeah, I know.
Yep. Легко йде. Striper. Halibut. Shaker. Ну, чекай, я це возьму.
Що я так не візьму? Чи обрухушка?
Давай. Попробуємо. От. 21.
Ну. Сірка.
This fish right here, guys, 21 inches. We release this baby. О, хороший йде, хороший. Так, дивись. Дивися сюди, куди ти дивишся? Чекай. Давай, о. It's good. Oops. Keeper. 23, 24. Another. Looks like 23, 24. Закрийте ротик, пожалуйста. Що за... Десь якийсь дорістик, ага. Десь, ти що зробив за риби. О. 22. Damn, 22,5. Ё-моё. My first keeper, guys. 22.5. It's nice, beautiful California halibut. Oops, fish on. Да. Striper. Чо ми крутимося?
Є?
Не, воно тебе зацепило, мабуть, вже. Він десь не з тої сторони, чуєш?
Бачу, щоб я зацікав.
Ні, я кажу, я аж з тої сторони, я вже не тої удочки, от тої.
Понятно.
Я тут зацепив теж. Наоборот, сюда. Ты вытягивай свою. Halibut, хороший, вытягивай. Бей сачок, бьем, сачок.
Держи. Держи водочку.
Давай, бьем.
З грузом.
Good halibut, good halibut. Так, я підношу. Кіпер чи ні?
Наверно, так.
Да, це кіпер. Yep, nice fish. It's like 24.
Так, це
Beautiful, beautiful fish. 24 incher. Right here, beautiful California halibut.